is a trade-off. A budget is about trade-offs. We do not have limitless supply of financial resources, technical resources, and capacity to do everything we would want. It's a choice we have to make. And a critical part of that choice making we have to do is, what is the cost? What is the return? And Mr. Tomlinson told George and Turner this morning, the fact that there was no cost does in no way undermine the merit of it. Well, I don't know how you can come to that, because I can't say if it is merited or not, because you don't tell me the cost. Here's what he said.
Of the numbers not being attached to Mr. Golding's centerpiece idea cannot not be a problem. We didn't nobody asked for the whole budget, everything him say go do to have a cost, because that would be madness. We said, just to make it clear, we said that for spending so much time preparing, and of course you couldn't deny that you spent a lot of time preparing, because you had to and you did, for spending so much time preparing to not cost the crown jewel of what you will do when you get into government, for me, is unforgivable almost.
No, I can't agree with you.
Of course you can't. Of course you can't.
No, that's fine. My own understanding of this is that I don't support that narrative. Because the absence of what the cost is does not reduces the merit.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. But Cleveland, it has to. Cleveland, it has to. It has to.
It doesn't when there is the opportunity for him to come and explain and tell the Jamaican people, which is the intent. So for you to prematurely hold up the idea with the expectation that it must be said in that moment, and in its absence, that there cannot be an appropriate critique of the presentation, I find is woefully unfair.
I say this to you, Cleveland.
You can stop it there. The critique of the centerpiece proposal is going to be affected, Mr. Tomlinson, by the missing numbers cost. We cannot do unfair, credible critique without the numbers, especially